Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how you make rock candy. Making rock candy is a fun and simple science experiment you can do right in your kitchen. The key is creating a supersaturated sugar solution, which means dissolving more sugar than the water would normally hold at room temperature. We'll cover the essential ingredients and equipment you'll need to get started on your sweet crystal growing adventure. First, let's make our supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's important not to boil the solution too rapidly, as this can cause the water to evaporate too quickly. Just a gentle simmer will do the trick. Now for the exciting part, setting up for crystal growth. Carefully pour your hot sugar solution into a clean glass jar. Next, tie a string to a pencil or use a clean wooden stick and suspend it into the solution. Make sure the string or stick doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the jar. This provides a surface for the crystals to form. Place the jar in an undisturbed spot and let it cool. Patience is key when growing rock candy. You'll start to see small crystals forming on your string or stick within a few days. For larger, more impressive crystals, allow them to grow for 1 to 2 weeks. Once your crystals have reached your desired size, carefully remove the string or stick from the solution. Let your beautiful, homemade rock candy dry completely on a piece of parchment paper before enjoying your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.